Mark, when that fish hit, I was going 2.8 up here steady. Just to let you know. On the downspeed.
Oh, I wasn't even recording that whole time. I just hit the button. Now I'm recording. All right, Cody.
Say hi to your mom.
Say hi to your mom.
Hey, I caught this fish. Look at it.
This
Don't
is going
see water
on.
like this in Arizona.
This is going on the internet, Cody. All right. Okay, hold on. Hey, Cody, hold on. Hey, Uncle Bill, what are you fishing for over there? Hey, Uncle Bill, what are you fishing for over there?
I'm fishing for a lake trout.
Lake trout?
Yeah, with my cowbell.
We don't even let them on the boat. What do you mean fishing for a lake trout?
Well, I have to fish for something. You can't catch anything. Lake trout's just about the easiest thing to catch on the lake.
When I lived in Florida, I caught crabs. We used something